Oh, who's that?
I have no idea.
Haha, just the boys.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayana, commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born at the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience. Is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Superior Mode, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our Cosmic Generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What do we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, well, we didn't even know there was a test.
It's got a Cosmic Generator. It's creating a jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean it's already?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you know according to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shells to follow them through the jump point. What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that black jump until we get the Cosmic Generator back. Piece of cake. What?
There's King. Where's this King? The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. You got this. We're all toast.
First it was King, now there's toast. This plan is making me so hungry. Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. It's an honorary title. They're not coming with us. I see. It is meaningless. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now, where's that cake toast?
Good job, Kayam. Kayam, you did it. Good job, buddy. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, can you hit stop, please?
You can hit stop. But, Kayam, high five.
You lost it.
All right, you lost. Good job, Kayam. I'm proud of you, bud.
Oh, we're so gonna get in trouble with mom.